want you to do something. Like, can you laugh without smiling?
Okay.
Like. No. Your lips shouldn't move. You're frowning.
You said without smiling.
Your lips shouldn't move.
You didn't mention
Like
that.
sharp, like steel. Your lips are like the opposite of smiling.
Yes, that's me not smiling. What you want from me?
Yes, look. Like this. It's not
Ya
a
go palla. Hey,
You're evil.